Hi, I'm Kei from Tokyo. I've been a software engineer for 9 years. I'm good at mobile app development, so now I'm focused on Flutter. My company is running a subscription community called Flutter Daigaku that is for Flutter learners. Today I'm gonna talk about Gemini API Developer Competition. These days, Google has some hackathons, competitions for developers. In early this year, there was a competition called Global Gamers Challenge that is for Flutter developers. In that competition, you should make some Flutter game related to environmental issue. So in my community called Flutter Daigaku, one of the team, two guys, got the prize on Japanese Google Wallet integration award. So they got $7,500 at that competition. It was very congratulations. And I hold a FlutterNinjas last month. FlutterNinjas was a very global international conference in Tokyo. So there was not only Japanese local people, but also foreign people from various countries. One of the guys from Taiwan, he also got prize on Global Gamers Challenge. Maybe he got $7,500 as well. I saw that and I feel like I wanna join some competition as well. There is a new competition for Flutter developer. Actually, it's not only Flutter developer, but also Gemini users. Gemini is a generative AI framework from Google. Most famous generative AI framework is ChatGPT, but there are some other generative AI frameworks such as Gemini, Cloud. Google made Gemini as a generative AI. And Google had a competition called Gemini API Developer Competition. I will join this competition, this app called AI English Word Book. I'm not sure this will get any prize, but it was worth to do because even if I cannot get some awards from Gemini competition, this app very worth to use for me because I'm studying English every single day. It's for 3 or 4 hours in the morning. At the time, sometimes bunch of unknown words for me. So I search every single day. I search new words. What's the meaning of this? Yeah, how to use this? What is the example sentence of this word? So at first I used another app, but I decided to make my own app to study English for me. So I started to develop this since January this year. At first, that was team development in my community called Flutter Daigaku. Flutter Daigaku has team development event every 3 months. So it started January and it ends March. It's 3 months to develop that app with 2 more members. I was a leader and 2 more Flutter beginners. And after 3 months, it became a personal development for me. So now I'm developing by myself that app. I use that app every single day to study English. Before joining Gemini competition, I used Gemini API to make this app. This app is very simple, and if you have any unknown words while you studying English, you just search. Let's say if you don't know the word simultaneously, you should put some SIMO. So some words suggested. If you find simultaneously, you put simultaneously, and after that, you can check the simultaneously example sentence. So very simple. That is the basic feature of this app. That was the first version of this AI workbook. And to join Gemini competition, I updated some features on this app. First, I added a feature of sounding. Sometimes I don't know how to pronounce this word.
Simultaneously.
It's hard for me. I think it is hard for every Japanese people. So yeah, if you don't know the pronunciation, you can put the button and you can hear how to pronounce.
Simultaneously.
Yeah, that is one feature. And another feature I added is Japanese to English translation. At first, it was only English to English. So if you have any unknown words in English, you can search the word. This was the first feature. But sometimes I have some unknown words from Japanese. So for example, in Japanese, hello is konnichiwa. If you don't know how to say konnichiwa in English, you can put konnichiwa in Japanese in this app. Even same window for English to English translation. This app can detect this character is Japanese or English. If this is a Japanese, this app can translate to English using Gemini API. That is one of the features I added for Gemini competition. And one more thing is review feature. I made a new tab in this app. Sometimes you should review you learned. As I said, I didn't know what's the meaning of simultaneously and how to use simultaneously. And I learned in March 2024. After a while, I forgot the meaning of simultaneously. That is the situation for every English learners, every language learners. So after that, you should review that. You should review that every a week or every month or something like that. So I made a review feature on this app, and in this review feature, this app randomly select 2 words you saved before, and you should make an example sentence using simultaneous. After you input the word or you speak to this app, and after you're putting enter button, Gemini review your example sentence. If this is grammatically correct and you used 2 words listed above, you can get feedback correct. But if you grammatically mistake, or if you didn't use these words, Gemini give you some feedback about that. So I thought this is a good feature for English learners. So this is kind of active learning, read the meaning of English. This is a passive learning, but active learning is you should speak or you should make some sentence by yourself. So this kind of active learning is one of the very important to learn something new. So I made this. Yeah, that's it. This is an app I will publish to Gemini competition this time. So Gemini competition's deadline is August 12th. In my schedule, I will publish some paper to Gemini competition at the beginning of August, and I will wait for the result until the winter. After joining a Gemini competition, I will prepare FlutterNinjas. I will make my Flutter Daigaku English adapted. So that's it today. If you have some opinion, if you have some feedback, please leave some comments. And I already released this app in App Store, in Google Play Store as well. I put the links. If you got curious about this app, download that and give me some feedback. So that's it today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. ありがとうございました。